The 4800 PSI Electric Power Washer by ALAINTOOL delivers exceptional cleaning power with its robust 1800-watt motor, making it a reliable choice for tackling tough dirt and grime. Equipped with 4 versatile quick-connect nozzles, this washer allows for flexible cleaning, from gentle rinsing to intense pressure, catering to a variety of surfaces and stains. The included 25-foot high-pressure hose and 16-foot power cord provide ample reach, simplifying the process of cleaning large areas without the hassle of frequently repositioning the unit. Safety and efficiency are enhanced by the total stop system, which conserves energy and extends the life of the pump by automatically shutting it off when not in use. Designed for convenience, the washer features a wheeled upright trolley for easy maneuverability and storage, along with practical storage solutions for accessories. With a sleek design in vibrant orange, this power washer not only performs efficiently, but also adds a touch of style to your cleaning equipment.